Here's how to use Snapchat on your laptop or PC. So there are two main ways to access Snapchat on your computer. First, you can use the Snapchat web. Open a web browser on your laptop or computer and go to web.snapchat.com. Log in with your specific Snapchat username and password, and then you can chat, send snaps, and view stories right in your browser. You can click on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen to access your account settings. That includes theme, sound effects, notifications, help center, ads, report a problem, account settings, privacy policy, and you can also log out from here, which is highlighted in red color. And you can also create a desktop shortcut so that it becomes easier for you to access your Snapchat account from your web browser. From here, if you go to account settings, this will open a new page. And here you can go ahead and access your data, your Snap code, access Snapchat Plus, and other different account settings. You can also view your session management and change your password as well. And on the bottom of the screen, there are two different options of delete your account and log out. If you want to simply go ahead and log out of your account or from your web browser, simply log in with a different account. You can go ahead and select log out. And if you want to delete your account, go ahead, select delete my account, and then follow the on-screen instructions like entering your username and password and confirming to delete your ID. But within 30 days of deletion, you can come back and log into your account as you like. Remember that some features like the camera and filters might not be available on the web version. If you need those features, you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Go ahead, open the emulator that you have on your computer. In my case, I have installed BlueStacks App Player. Go ahead and log in with your Google account. And after that, open Play Store and search for Snapchat. And once the app appears, you need to go ahead and select the application and choose to install it. And once you have it installed, you can go ahead and use it wherever you want. You'll have access to all the features, including the camera. And on the web version, you can chat with your friends, open their chat, and then start messaging or simply view their snap. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.